In this video, I'll tell you how you can download Android 16 in your Samsung Galaxy A07. To get Android 16, first of all navigate to your settings application and scroll down. And right here you can see software update. Tap on that and tap on check for updates. Make sure you are connected to internet. And right here I can see there is update available. I will tap on resume download, or instead you can also see a button of download. Simply tap on download or update and the downloading will be begin like so. And right here you will need to wait for few minutes. However, make sure that your device is at least 40% charged. Once the download is completed, simply scroll down and tap on install now. Now you will need to wait for few minutes and the device will be restarted. And now right here you can see the download and installation has been completed and the device is now rebooting. Just be patient and wait for few moments. And now right here as you can see that the update has been completed successfully and the device has been restarted. Now let's check out the Android version. Simply navigate to your settings application and scroll down and tap on about phone. Then scroll down once again and tap on software information. And now right here as you can see that Android version is 16. So that's how you can easily update your Samsung Galaxy A07 to Android version of 16. And also you can see that there is a pop-up saying your phone has been updated. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.